Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere. He's everyone's favourite adventure bear.
Oh, Humphrey's asleep. He looks so cute when he's asleep. I wonder what he's dreaming about. Hiya, Humphrey. Oh, big kisses to you too. What's that, you're hungry? Perhaps we should make something a little healthy. Yes, Humphrey. Kisses are as sweet as honey, aren't they? What should we make in this beautiful kitchen? You feel like pizza? Good choice, Humphrey. Pizza is the best. Yeah. Let's make some ooey gooey yummy pizza. Here's what you'll need. Grated cheese, pepperoni slices, flour, dough and tomato paste. And honey? I'm not too sure about that one, Humphrey, but let's give it a go. Good idea, Humphrey. Let's spread some flour on our surface so the pizza dough doesn't get all sticky. Flour cloud. Using a rolling pin, flatten out the dough so it's as big as a pizza. Uh-oh, it's about to get messy. Be careful, Humphrey. Too late. We'll just clean that up a little later. Let's start putting on our ingredients. The tomato paste goes first, smear it all around. Next is the cheese. You're so good at this, Humphrey. Pepperoni is the last ingredient. Throw it on top. Such a professional. Keep the oven nice and hot to melt all the gooey cheese. Great work, Humphrey. Have you made pizzas before? You're very talented. I can't wait to eat it too. It's going to be so yummy. Humphrey, are you eating all the leftover ingredients? You cheeky bear. I think the pizza is ready. Can you smell it? The oven is really hot, so be careful when you take out the pizza. It looks amazing. The pizza needs to be carefully cut into slices and then it's ready to eat. What do you think, Humphrey? Is pizza-rific? But it's missing something? Of course, it's missing honey. How could I forget? It's your favourite ingredient. Go on then, spread it around. The more honey, the better, right? Wow, that pizza looks ooey gooey and yummy. Well done, Humphrey. Humphrey, wake up. Nap time's over. Did you have a nice nap, Humphrey? Are you hungry now? How about some pizza for lunch? Come on, let's go.
Humphrey, he's magical and everywhere.